So now the today's problem statement is construct Turing machine for well-formedness of parentheses. Well-formedness of parentheses. Now well-formedness means what? If we are writing the parentheses, suppose this is the parenthesis. So now this is called as a well-formed parenthesis. Well-formed parenthesis in the sense that every opening bracket parenthesis will have its a closing parenthesis. That is called as a well-formed parenthesis. So we can also have like this. This is not the well-formed parenthesis because this is the closing, this is opening, opening, open, open, close, close, close. But we are having the equal number of closing, equal number of opening, but it is not well-formed parenthesis because for every opening there should be a closing. At the same time, their structure must be same. Their structure must be same. Okay. So this is not the well-formed parenthesis. So today we'll try to design a Turing machine which will take the input, the parentheses, and it will check whether the parentheses are is in the proper format or not. Because in a language, in a compiler, whenever we are writing the brackets for the equation in our computer, in our statement, that time your machine, your compiler first checks whether all the brackets are in the well formed or not. If it is not in the well form, it will generate the syntax error. It will generate the syntax error. Okay. So that is again we require for the compiler designing. So we'll try to understand the basic concept. How we'll check the parenthesis. It is in the well form. For every opening, there must be the closing parenthesis. Now the logic behind this opening and closing will apply this what we are saying for every opening there should be a closing. Rather than what we will do while we are designing a Turing machine, we'll first check for the closing. We'll first check for the closing bracket, and after that we'll find its the equivalent opening bracket. Remember the logic? First we will search for the closing bracket, first closing bracket, and for that first closing bracket we'll search on the left hand side again opening bracket for the same. So that is what actually basic logic for the designing of the Turing machine. Designing of the Turing machine. Now we'll try to implement that logic over here first, and we'll check whether this is a well form and this is not the well form. Now, first, as I said, your input is stored onto the tape. Input is stored onto the tape. This is the input. Your read write head is always pointing to the first symbol of your input. Your read write head always point towards the first input symbol. This is head. Now, will what I'm saying, first search for the closing bracket. First search for the closing bracket. So it is the opening, skip. Now skip means what? Overwrite it. The opening, keep opening as it is and move right. So we'll move here. Opening, keep as it is, move here. Now the head is here. It is getting the closing bracket. It is getting the closing bracket. Mark this closing bracket as X. Mark this closing bracket as X. And change the direction. Because for that closing bracket, we have to search its own opening bracket. So after making this closing bracket X, we'll change the direction. Now head is here. Here we are getting the opening bracket. So we'll mark this opening bracket as a X. So for that closing bracket, we found the opening bracket. So this is the one cycle. After finding the opening bracket, we'll just skip. We'll just change the direction again. We'll change the direction again to find the again the closing bracket. If we are getting the x, skip closing bracket, closing bracket. So we'll make mark this closing bracket as a x, change the direction. We have, when we will get the closing bracket, mark it as a x and change the direction on the left hand side. Again we are getting x, skip, x, skip. We are getting the opening bracket. We are getting the opening bracket. So making this opening bracket as a x. So for that closing, we found the opening. Okay. After finding the opening bracket, again change the direction. Again change the direction toward the right to find the next closing bracket. X, skip, 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 and blank. So there is no more closing bracket. There is no more closing bracket. Okay. So there is no more closing bracket. So it is a well form. Before checking it is a well form blank, we'll check. Here no closing bracket is there, but still any opening bracket is remaining. Because when we are going on to the right hand side, we try to find the closing bracket. We don't found any closing bracket. But again, we have to check whether there is a opening bracket. If there is even no opening bracket, no closing, no opening, yes, that time we'll say it is a well form. So by just checking the closing bracket, we not found the closing bracket blank. So blank as it is and left. Skip x, skip x, skip x, skip x. Now again here we are finding the blank. It means what? There is no closing bracket as well as there is no opening bracket. There is no opening bracket. So that time we will say it is a well form and we will stop. Okay. So this is how we going to check the well formness of the parenthesis. Well formness of the parenthesis. We'll just check with one more example. So we'll try to apply our logic onto the second example. Suppose this is the parenthesis given. This is the input. We have to check whether these are well formed or not. These are well formed or not. We'll try to apply our logic. Here it is at the first symbol. It will check opening bracket, skip. Opening bracket, skip. Opening bracket, skip. Closing bracket. When we are getting the closing bracket, we'll mark this closing bracket as a X and change the direction to the left. Change the direction to the left. Now left direction, we are finding the opening bracket. Again, we'll mark it as a X and change the direction. We have marked it as a X and we'll change the direction towards the right again. Right, we are getting X, skip X, we are getting close bracket. Yes. When we are getting the close bracket, mark it as a X and change the direction. Change the direction. We are getting X, skip opening bracket. Opening bracket. When we are getting the opening bracket, mark it as a X, change the direction towards the right. Change the direction towards the right. Okay. Now we'll skip X, skip X, skip X. We are getting blank. Skip X, we are getting blank. So when we are getting blank on the right hand side, it means that there is no closing bracket. There is no more closing bracket. But it doesn't mean, as I said, it doesn't mean that it is a well form. So we have to again check, there should not be again opening bracket, any remaining opening bracket. So we are getting blank, keep the blank as it is and change the direction towards the left. Skip X, skip X, skip X, skip X. We are finding the opening bracket. We are finding the opening bracket. Okay. If we are finding the opening bracket, we'll stop saying that it is not well formed. It is not well formed. Okay. So this logic we have to implement with the help of the Turing machine, with the help of